And we are back here at Nimes 2019 Archery Tournament Indoor World Series 1000. We now have the men's recurve bronze medal match, and we have two absolute stars from World Archery from Korea here. Of the 2012 Olympic champion Oh Jin Hyek, and against him we have the very young superstar Jaeyeop, who was the #1 qualifier here this weekend. He shot for his first 30 arrows a perfect 300 with a recurve bow.
Holy cow, I did not know that.
Yeah, he got to 42 arrows clean.
That is incredible.
Then he put one out and finished on a 5.99.
That is absolutely incredible.
Yeah, so that is pretty sick. But now he's against a very respected man in Korean archery, the man who won the first ever gold medal for Korea, Oh Jin Hyek, at London 2012. Super experienced, both of these guys, even though Jaeyeop is a much younger competitor. I hope they shoot at their best now. So I'm here with Chris B. Welcome back, Chris.
Thanks for having me back.
Give us a bit of the atmosphere from today so far.
The atmosphere today is just absolutely incredible. The crowd is screaming their faces off, it seems like. They are so pumped, they're so energetic, and we're out here having such a good time. Every single seat is full, and the energy is absolutely insane.
And they're pretty harsh. They're a harsh crowd.
They are harsh. These archers, not only do they have pressure on themselves, they don't want to disappoint this crowd.
This crowd want to see 10s.
Yes, definitely. 10s are nothing.
Yep.
So let's hope they do it.
Look
there we go.
That was a beautiful shot.
This is going to be a tight match.
Oh Jin Hyek, renowned for having his own very personal technique. It's not anybody else's style, it's his style. And he shoots with an incredible amount of pressure with the nuts bent front arm, and he works it from both directions. It's
Yeah, well, obviously it's working.
It works. Yeah, and it works for him.
10.
Yeah, you're catching the line there with that
one.
Line,
yeah.
A jar liquor.
Yep, that's what we would call a jar liquor.
10, 10, 10.
Nice.
There we go.
He's showing no respect to Oh Jin Hyek.
No, it's all business, straight business.
Again, these guys are here with professional teams this week.
10, 10, 10.
I have a feeling there's going to be a lot of 10s being shot in this match.
There's been a lot, yeah. They're just not fazed by what the other person does. They just do their thing.
Yeah, they look like they're just practicing right now.
Yeah.
Which is so important. It's so important just to relax, shoot your shot, and shoot every single arrow as its own arrow. You can't walk up to that line and expect to shoot a 30. You gotta walk up to that line and expect to shoot a 10.
Yes.
One perfect form shot at a time, and there just happen to be 3 in a row that you write down on a scorecard.
Absolutely. And what you've already shot is done.
Yep, exactly. And especially with recurves, with the set point system, if you lose a set, tie set, it doesn't matter. You move on to the next one. Yeah. So you can have some really big upsets with recurve matches.
Yes. We saw earlier today a match where the girl was 4-0 up. Just a little twit. Next thing you knew, she was at 4-all, and
right
that
back.
match really swung. So
yeah, it's 100% possible.
Yep. So, and we'll lead off. Wasn't as clean when he released the string.
He knew it was out.
Nice.
Oh Jin Hyek is going to capitalize on that for sure.
He's making it look easy.
He's hugging that right side.
Yeah.
He knew it too. He gave a couple clicks.
10.
So smooth on the release.
Yeah. See him staring that 10 down.
Mm-hmm.
So Han just needs to get himself back in the center.
10.
There we go.
There he goes. Still close to the line. He might have felt the nerves a little bit on that second end, knowing that he was tied up. So Oh Jin Hyek just needs to keep it in the yellow to take the match. Potentially.
10, 10, 10.
There he goes.
Yep. There we go. No need for big fat aluminiums when you're putting them that inside.
You put them in the middle with any size arrow, it's in the middle.
Yeah.
10, 10, 10. Incredible shooting.
Yeah, yeah.
All in the same spot. You notice that? They're all in the same spot,
They are,
right side.
aren't they? Yeah.
Might need to give that a click or two.
Oh.
But hey.
And as his coach in his box, Oh Jin Hyek has the 2016 Rio Olympic champion Kubo Chan.
Yeah. There are a lot of gold medals right there. And experience and talent. So.
You know, we've been talking. There's been a few heavyweight coaches come out today.
Yeah.
But,
yeah. And that's a huge confidence booster for the archer. You know, when they have someone solid that knows what they're doing, and they kind of have them to lean on if something happens. That's huge for the archer.
Yeah.
So here we go. Han really, really, really needs to shoot all 10s on this one.
He can't go to 5.
He doesn't afford it.
He can't go to 5.
Mm-mm.
Look at his front hand fingers.
That is interesting.
Never seen that.
Yeah, it must be a way that he just continues, but I don't like that hand movement.
No way.
You would think that would be very inconsistent.
Yeah. It's really bizarre.
Mm-hmm.
10.
Yep.
Very strong shot.
He's holding him in the top of the 10 as well. Have you noticed that?
Yeah,
It's
which is not bad. You
It's
know,
like he's decided.
yeah. I'd rather be in the top of the 10 than the bottom of the 10, though.
Yep.
10.
Strong shot. He knew
Yeah.
that was going in there.
Yep.
Strong shot.
Yeah, same hole.
Same exact hole. Incredible.
Gotta admit, this field of play is stunning for this showcase today. And they are respecting it, aren't they? They're giving it the show it deserves.
Han only can expect Oh Jin Hyek to get a little pressure on him.
Yep.
9.
Ooh. He felt the pressure.
He got him.
Yep. He needed that.
3-all.
And that's the thing about set points. You just never know.
Yeah.
Right now, if we were doing running total, Oh Jin Hyek would still be winning.
He would. Yep.
But because of set points, because of the way it is, you can come back and still win it.
We did see earlier in the ladies' match the Sim shoot 12 straight 10s, didn't she?
That was incredible.
Yeah.
That just the women are really dominating in this stage. It seems like
They have today.
the compound women shot a 149.
Yes.
Incredible, beat all of the men,
Yeah.
and yeah, very excellent performance.
Still incredibly high level shooting here. 3 points all. Can either of them get it to 5? First to 6 wins. I've never seen a pinky on a front hand.
I haven't seen that either. I've seen similar things, but I don't know. It's very interesting.
He's just slowed up a little.
Yeah, he has. He's tensing up. He can't tense up.
Yeah.
Good shot.
Brilliant.
He's really feeling the flow now.
Yeah. He's sped up.
And the ones he's missed are just barely out too, so he definitely is dialed. That was a good shot.
Yep. It's a bit low still, though. He gave himself a few clicks, though. So
Yeah.
we like to see.
There's that pinky.
Yep.
Ooh.
Ooh. Didn't expect that. Look at him. He's so angry with himself.
Can't afford a 9.
He's like, oh, no.
But the pressure might be
Still
on.
got to hit it, haven't you?
10,
No mistake. Back in his spot.
Took the set. This is a very, very tight match, though. Anything can happen on this next one.
Quite a tense, considering these are teammates as well. We've had a few of these today. These two are like a bit more
all business.
Yeah.
I'm sure they're friendly, but they are very focused on just themselves right now.
They are.
Like they could be,
There's big bragging rights on this match. I feel.
Definitely, yeah. Oh Jin Hyek is shooting the new Velos limb by Hoyt. It's a very unique limb. It's very skinny, which is very unique. I don't know if there's a limb out there like that, but it's very. I love the name too, Velos.
It's pretty good. Isn't
It's like a pretty name, It's very elegant.
And they've both got them, I think. Yep.
Yeah, they do. It's said to be the best limb Hoyt has ever made. There we go.
Nice.
He's feeling it. He's doing very, very well.
Keeping the pressure on, that's all he can do. Got to win this set. It's a longer shot, but he got it.
Looking back for
Had a
Coach.
look back, Coach Coop.
Strong shot.
Excellent.
He needs a 10.
Yes. Oh, though, can make him work hard for it with a 10. It's all about building the pressure on your opponent.
I feel like this one might go to a shoot-off.
Oh. He's got different ideas.
Close.
He's on the line.
These could be the last arrows of the match. There's that pinky. There he goes.
He's doing what he can. Best shot of the day.
The only thing he can do is hope that Oh Jin Hyek just has a little too much pressure. This one arrow could take the set. Or tie
10
the set.
to win, 9 for a shoot-off.
There he goes.
Quality. 149 out of 150 from Oh Jin Hyek.
It's very, very good shooting.
He looked really controlled.
Yes, definitely, yeah.
But he meant business as well. He wasn't messing around.
Straight business. Not a whole lot of emotion in that.
Yeah.
He's like, yep, on to the next.
Yeah.
Who's next?
Bronze medal there. Oh Jin Hyek, great match. Good showing as well from Han Jaeyeop. Fantastic archery.
Yeah, excellent shooting. I believe he only dropped 2. Is that correct?
3.
3? Okay.
147 out of 150.
Yeah, still very, very good.
Absolutely.
Very strong shooting.